One of the things that I really love about this strategy in particular is when we take a look at our average winners and our average losers. This back test was done on a $25,000 planned capital size, meaning that our average win is probably 7 or 8%. In other words, it's close to 10%. It's not that far from 10%, which is really good. Our average loss is only $985. This strategy does not have a profit target, meaning that you can make on a $25,000 capital, this is almost a 30% gain that we've had. So we can have some pretty big winners here. And the largest loss we had was slightly over 10%. I believe that didn't happen until 2018. And they're extremely rare. That is essentially what we have. We have about a 77% win rate versus a 23, so it's about the same as an M3, it's about 75%.